Cecilia has a question. So, okay, what if you don't have CPass? Is catalog sales a good campaign objective for your Shopee store? What about traffic? Okay, that's a very good question, Cecilia. If you don't have CPass, then you can't use catalog objective because technically you don't have a catalog. You don't have CPass for your Shopee store, you don't have a catalog. Only CPass, I mean, advertisers with CPass has a catalog. So yes, you're right. The better option for you is actually traffic. But nonetheless, we have a framework because when you go for traffic, you know the challenge, all right? When you go for traffic, if you drive traffic from Facebook ads to your Shopee store, technically you lose them the moment they go over. You don't even know whether they really land on your Shopee store, and you actually lose them. You won't be able to retarget them. You won't be able to do a lot of the number or the validation. So we have a framework for those even without a CPass access. You can still run meaningful Facebook ads for your Shopee store. So I encourage you to actually check out my Facebook ads for Shopee store. That's a course where I teach you using my two-step funnel framework how to build so-called a campaign that is able to allow you to do retargeting even though you don't have CPass for your Shopee store. So that's the course that I want you to check out, Cecilia. But yes, you're right. Catalog is not for you. Go for traffic objective, but you have to do it in the right way. So check out my course.